Hi and welcome to my coffee vlog. Today we're going to make a pumpkin spiced mocha with a cream topping. It's just like this one. I'm going to show you there. There we go. There you go. If you want to make one for yourself, then please watch the video, have a go and let me know how it went. Our kit list to create our pumpkin spice mocha. We're going to need the coffee machine and the coffee shop. Got some beans in the top there. We're going to need whole milk, although you can use any milk you prefer. We're going to need our scales. We're going to need our hot chocolate powder, pumpkin spice syrup, and of course a jug and thermometer so we can steam our milk. So the first thing we're going to do is create the coffee shop in the same way that I always do. That is use the household scale. So we're going to put the group handle on the scales, zero it down, and then we're going to grind 14 grams of coffee into the group handle. That way. 14 grams, absolutely spot on. Okay, so 3 stage now, and that's level. And tamp. Give it a good tamp. And then wipe. And put the group handle straight onto the machine. Now, because this is mocha, and mocha is a little bit like a cappuccino, but a hot chocolate cappuccino really, and we're going to put the shot straight into the bottom of the cup. So I'm using a clear cup, as you can see, so you can see all the coffee, you can see the foam, and obviously the cream on top. So 2 shots straight into the bottom. So while that's doing, I'm going to put the milk into the jug. You can see I'm using like a small jug. So I'm going to put the milk maybe to about there on the jug. A bit more, and then the jug's ready to steam. So just to show you, there's the coffee shop waiting. You can see the crema on the top, sat nicely in there, and it's waiting to create our mocha. So I'm going to put 3 shots of pumpkin spice in the bottom there, just to give it that flavour. I'm going to go ahead now and add 3 spoons of hot chocolate. Hot chocolate again, just to taste. I find that 3 does it for me, but what does it for you might be totally different. So we're starting the process of steaming the milk. And make sure all that chocolate powder goes nicely into the milk before we start making the foam on top. So generally speaking, we steam hot chocolate up until 150, and we don't want it to steam past 160 because it'll be burnt. Making that nice cappuccino foam now on top of the hot chocolate. Really important, always wipe the steam arm, and then you just turn, just to make sure none of the hot chocolate stays up inside that steam arm. It's nice and clean for next use. You can see there we've got a lovely hot chocolate, nice bit of foam on top. There we go, ready to pour. There we go, let's make our mocha. I'm going to spin the milk and then start by getting some of that foam to sit on top. There we go. Perfect. So you can just put cream on top, or you can put just cinnamon on top, or you can put hot chocolate powder on top. That's entirely up to you. I think what we're going to do is put some cream on top now. Just to add a bit of glamour. And then sprinkle with hot chocolate powder. And there we go. That is a pumpkin spiced mocha with cream. Now for the grand tour. Beautiful pumpkin spice mocha with cream on top. And no video would be complete without the taste test. Oh, amazing. I love that hot chocolate and coffee flavour, that's just amazing, and the pumpkin spice just really pops out. Chocolate and pumpkin spice goes really well together. The cream gives it that element of luxury, and the chocolate powder on top just finishes it off, makes it appealing to the eye, and a really nice extra flavour that you weren't expecting. So as you can tell from the video, because I've filmed these in real time, it's really easy. Really easy to produce, really cheaply to make. You know, why don't you save yourself a few quid and make one at home? Have a go, let me know what you thought. Let me know in the comments if you've made one. Let me know if it went well for you, what didn't go well for you, whether you needed to bling it up with something else. So yeah, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you again. Thank you for watching.